So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are staying and stay positive. So today topic we are going to see about the September month love life prediction for the year element like Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. If at all your zodiac sign is in Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, you can watch this video now. So guys, if at all you are looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. So please give your support, please give your support, please do subscribe because your each and every support will definitely motivates me a lot and it will definitely help to grow the channel as well. So please give your support. Okay, so let's start the reading now for my dear year sign Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. I don't know, maybe you guys, maybe some kind of a people will be like little bit of confusion when it comes to your relationship. I think so. Wow, what a beautiful cards I'm getting. In the bottom of the deck, I get the King of Swords. Okay, so this could be your energy. There is no need to get panicked by seeing the King of Swords that your person will be like vulnerable or something like that. So bottom of the deck, I can see the card is be like a King of Swords. Okay, so let's see the rest of the card. The first one we get the Empress. Wow, it is a very beautiful and pleasant energy. And the second card we get the Two of Cups. Okay, Two of Cups. This is again a very beautiful. It's again a very beautiful texture and beautiful card. Two of Cups. And next we get the Fool. Okay, the Major Arcana card, the Fool. So there is the two Major Arcana card, the Empress and the Fool. And next, wow, again the Major Arcana card, like back-to-back Major Arcana card, the High Priestess. Okay, Queen of Swords. And then we have Four of Swords. Okay, so let me clarify it because I can see some kind of a third-party energies as well. Let me clarify with this Queen of Swords and the Empress and as well as the High Priestess. So there will be some kind of a chances, could be for the third-party kind of a stuff. Yeah. No, this is not a card. Clarifying the Queen of Swords, Empress and the High Priestess. Okay, I'm just getting the Hermit, the Wheel of Fortune, the Justice and the Son of Wands. Okay, again the Major Arcana cards, or a lot of Major Arcana cards. I'm just getting the Justice, the Wheel of Fortune, the Hermit and as well as the Son of Wands. So three Major Arcana cards. So I get the picture here. Okay, so guys, I maybe try to explain. I think this could be like very specific reading. Let me arrange the card first. So as it is a general reading, I can I can see a lot of energies over here. Okay, a lot of energies over here. So I will try to explain each and every set so that you will get some kind of a clarity here. So for the first set of the people, I can see that your person, you maybe think that this person is not trying to be open up, this person is be like this person is trying to be cut off you, this person is acting some kind of a cold energy, they are showing some kind of a cold shoulder towards you. But I don't think so that this person will show the cold shoulder. So maybe on the past they maybe try to show this kind of a cold shoulder kind of an energy, but again I can see that this person will try to come back, because because with the Empress card could be you may be seen sorry, if at all the person who is looking this video could be a male or female, whoever it could be, but I can see that you are according to your energy, I can see that you are be like very very emotional toward this person, and you know that this person will try to come back. Okay, you know that this person will try to come back towards you, and they will try to communicate with you, and you know that this person do have a feelings for you. Okay, so you may be believe on your love life, I know that. And as well as with the Empress card, again I can see that you are gaining the power. Okay, so what I can see that you are gaining your power when it comes to your career pathway or whatever it could be. When it comes to your personal life also, if you are facing any kind of a problems from your partner side, but still I can see that you guys will be try to rebuild your power, and you guys will be more positive in this upcoming days. On this September month, you guys will be like very very powerful, and you will try to attract many people as well. Okay, so for the next thing I can see that so with the Two of Cups, again it is a beautiful confirmation as well that this person, it could be like a mutual energy only, it's be like a mutual love and mutual energy only. Okay, so if at all you have this kind of a concern that this person is showing some kind of a cold shoulder, it's not, they will not show any kind of a cold shoulder. This person will try to come back, this person will try to reconcile with you. Okay, with the Fool and with the Two of Cups, again I can see that there is like a beautiful confirmation that this person will try to come back, and they will try to communicate. Okay, so what other problem has been happened on the past, that problem will be get fixed soon. So they will come and communicate, they will do the initiate. Okay, so there is no need that you guys are waiting patiently. Anyway, that is a good thing. So overall for this kind of a set people, I can see that this person will become and communicate. For the next set, I can see that if at all you are a married person, if at all you are looking this reading for your partner, especially for your husband or wife, there may be some kind of a chances that your like mother-in-law, okay, your mother-in-law will be create any kind of a problems between your partner. Okay, because I can strongly see some kind of a mother-in-law kind of a concept. So even though you are trying to be explained with your own mother to be figure out some kind of an like some kind of an answer, but still when it comes to a relationship, the third party energy disturbance or be like very very heavy here. Okay, especially the mother-in-law energy is be like very very heavy here, and they will try to manipulate your person. That's the reason there is some kind of a problems maybe happen on your relationship. Okay, so for such kind of a people, you should need to be alert when it comes to this September month, because I can see that your energy will get to be drained because of them, because like again and again you want some kind of a new beginning, but maybe maybe you feel that you are be like very very helpless in this situation. Okay, so you need to be like more careful when you are dealing with your mother-in-law. Let me take one card for this kind of a set. Will this things will be end or how it could be go? Okay, there is some, yeah, again you can see this like Eight of Wands and Eight of Swords. Yeah, so you guys need to be careful when it comes to the September month. You guys need to be careful. If at all this second set is resonating for you, that your mother-in-law is getting any kind of a problem, you should need to be more careful, because still I don't think so that problems will be get solved. They will try to trigger you in any ways, like they will try to, yeah, I can see that they will try to trigger you, and the situation will be like bit unfavorable for you when it comes to the September month for this second set of the people. And for the third set of the people, I can see that so if at all you thinking that this person is dealing with any other like a third party, they maybe have any other options in their life, so you maybe think that they are giving the priority to the third party. Maybe that relationship could be like an extramarital affair, so that you maybe think that they are giving their like they are putting their effort, and they are doing some kind of a they are giving some kind of a priority towards their partner, not for you. So if at all you have this kind of a classes inside your mindset, if at all you are be like overthinking about this kind of a stuff, so one thing I can able to say that this person must be like very genuine and very pure when it comes to your relationship, when it comes to your love life. Okay, so this person will definitely like try to figure out, it's not like this person is giving only priority to their partner. So they know that their partner will not be that much attached like you. They know that their partner will not be like more emotional like you. They are not be like more caring or more emotional like you, so that this person will try to attract you only. At the end of the day, they will try to attract you only. So if you're thinking that there is some kind of a strong third party disturbance, so it could be like a friendship, or it could be like a partner, or whoever it could be. So whatever the condition when it comes to the third party, again I can see that this person will try to communicate with you. I hope so. I hope so. This person maybe reach out to you on this number 2 itself, or else if not such kind of a case, when this person will be reach out on number 20 or number 12, something like that. So could be the mid month. So this person will try to communicate with you. Overall, I can see that this in this first week itself, this person will try to communicate with you, and they will try to figure out some kind of a good solution, and there is some kind of a good reunion or reconciliation will be happen for this third set of the people. So if at all it is the third set is resonating with you, then there is nothing to be worried. This person will make you as a priority. They will give you the priority towards you. You know that this person is coming. You know that this person will definitely reach out to you. They will definitely communicate with you. So there is nothing need to be worried at all, okay? Because you know the answer. You know the answer. Then why you are being like bothering about it? This person will not go. This person won't go. This person will come back. So let's see about this person feelings, like your person feelings towards you. So I'm just going to take one or two messages from your person's side, like what their feelings towards you. I have already received one messages. Let's see one more messages as well. Oh, I'm just getting a lot of cards. Okay, so the first message, I'm going through a spiritual awakening. Okay, so again I can see that this person will just give them a little bit of space, so they will try to figure out some kind of things, and they will become back. Obviously I have said the same thing. This give them a little bit of space, they will come back for the first set and for the third set. And the next I don't feel like I am good enough for you. So this is be for the second set of the people. So this person is thinking that they are not be good enough because they are not trying to take any kind of a step when it comes to the family things, because they are giving the priority to their parents. That's the reason, I mean, for your mother-in-law. Okay, so your partner is giving an priority to their parents. That's the reason they are they are showing their shoulder cold shoulder towards you. So that's why they are also feeling that they are not good enough, because they are not trying to be help you at this moment, or they are not trying to be take some kind of a stand. So let's see one more messages as well, because I'm just channeling that I want to take one more. I'm scared to let someone in again. So this is the thing here. Okay, so whatever could be for the set 1, set 2 and set 3, I can see that this person is be scared. If at all you maybe choose some other person, if at all you or let some other person into your life, or if at all you or make some kind of a distance, if at all you maybe try to move on from them, then this person will be very triggered, very triggered. Okay, so overall when it comes to the set 1 and set 2 and set 3, just give them a little bit of space. So this person will try to come back in this month itself, and they will try to give you some kind of a clarity. For the set 2 kind of a people, again I can see some kind of a beautiful messages as well, like very positive messages as well, but still you should need to give them more space. Okay, for only for the set 2 of the people, because there is a strong manipulation game is happening from their family side itself. So I can see that even though you are trying your best, still you maybe face some kind of a problem. So allow this time to let go. Okay, so go with the have that open-minded and go with the flow energy, so that things will be get settled down in your way. Okay, so these are the messages for the yard sign, like Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. I hope it will be resonated with you. I hope it will bring some kind of a clarity towards you. If at all it is resonant and bring some kind of a clarity, please do like, share and subscribe. Please do like, share and subscribe. And as well as if at all you're looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel, guys. Please give your support, because your each and every support will definitely motivates me a lot, and it definitely helps to grow the channel as well. Next thing, guys, so if at all if at all you know that if in your friendship circle anybody may love the tarot readings, please do recommend my channel to them. And as well as if at all you guys need any kind of a personal reading, you can definitely reach out either on my Instagram or else on my WhatsApp. Both the details have been given in the pinned comment. You can go and check with that. And next thing, guys, in the next video we are going to see about your person current feelings and next actions, and as well as their channel or messages for you in a very detail. We can check like that. Okay, so stay tuned. And one more time I just want to say the same thing. So please give your support, because your each and every support will definitely motivates me a lot, and it will definitely helps to grow this channel as well. So guys, please give your support. And as well as if at all you guys need any kind of a personal reading, please do reach out either on my WhatsApp, also on my Instagram. If at all you guys may follow my previous past Instagram account. So I'm so sorry guys, I'm not available on that account right now. I'm just taking the booking from my primary account itself. So I have added my primary account on the link section. You can see in the comment section I have added the link. You can go and check with there. So yeah, sorry for the inconvenience, but anyway, I hope you maybe understand that. Okay, so guys, again, please give your support for both my YouTube and Instagram account. So see you guys in the next one. Until love you all, take care, bye bye, Errolman, bye bye.